and I'm back with another video, and today I am doing a eye look, I guess. I have my full face on, but I'm doing an eye look with the new and ever so exciting ColourPop Hocus Pocus palette. And here's the little palette. I will be not only creating a look and kind of taking you with me, but I'm also doing a giveaway. So if you want to stay to the end of the video, hopefully you watch the entire video, and then I will tell you all about the giveaway. But you have a chance to win not one, but 2 palettes plus some extra bonus goodies. So definitely stay tuned for that. But first, I'm just going to talk about the Hocus Pocus palette from ColourPop. I got it on Ulta's website when it became available, and then got an email that they had it, and I went and it was still in stock, so I got another one for you guys. So this is what the box looks like. The Hocus Pocus Sanderson sisters, and then it says Gather Round Sisters, and it has all the look at cute. It's got all the shade names there, so that's what it looks like. And then this is the palette itself, like I said. It's with the little cauldron and the, yeah, it's called the Gather Round palette. So then you open it up, and it's got the sisters there. And then we've got all of these beautiful shadows. So very, very pretty. It does have a little protective film. You guys is safely in here. I did open it to make sure it wasn't broken. I did not touch it. I just made sure that there was no powder anywhere, and then I immediately shut it back. So do not worry about that. But I couldn't send you a broken palette, so I had to make sure. And I was gonna take the broken one and give you the non-broken one if it was broken, but we got lucky and neither one of them came broken. So this is the palette I'll be using for my look today. I do have, I wore a fuchsia pink look today, so it stained my eyelids, and I took my eye makeup off and primed my eyes, so it is pink, but there's nothing there, it's just stained. So we're gonna get started. It doesn't have a mirror, so I'm gonna have to use a little mirror here, so I'm gonna have to excuse me for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably just go right in for it and do Dead Man's Toe, which will be this, and I'll work with probably Night of Frolic and Thackeray Binks, these 3 right here. Probably just start there. So that's me, and my brushes are clean. They're also just stained because I use so much pink. Everything's pink. And this is just my mirror I'm using here. So like I said, we're gonna start with Dead Man's Toe. It is very powdery, but it's all right as long as it's pigmented and you don't, dust away all the color. So I'm going directly into the crease with that. I have hooded lids, so I have to go big or go home. Oh, I mean, look already, look at that. I had no doubts. ColourPop alone could put every other cosmetic brand out of business, but they're gonna put themselves out of business with releasing something every week. But I love me some ColourPop, so. And I love that it's at Ulta, because I will never order from a company's website again. I have to just order only from Ulta Sephora, because this is super powdery though, guys, so just be aware of that. But I've just not had good luck ordering from an actual company website. I've never ordered from, well, I have in a very long time ordered from ColourPop's website, but every other beauty company tends to want to take 6 weeks to ship, and then another 2 weeks for it to get here. So yeah, I'm not complaining or anything, but all right, so that is only Dead Man's Toe, but I'm gonna show you here, it has kicked up some powder. You can see that, yeah. But I mean, it's super pigmented, so I don't really care. I've never been one to care about that. So if you're curious, I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. Any old brush will do, but these are Morphe brushes are pretty good. So, and I'm just going back in there to make sure we got one cohesive color. Look at that. So I have teamed up with my dear friend Suzanne with Beauty at 50, whom I have a playlist of all of her videos. Before I moved away, we did tons of videos together. So I have a playlist here. But anyways, we have teamed up together to do this giveaway. And she has given away the same palette, but she has included some of her own goodies. She's picked up some items that she wants to give away with the palette. And at the end, I will show you all the items I'm also giving away. You do have to enter for both of our giveaways, but hey, you could get something for yourself, something for somebody for Christmas, or 2 for you. Everything for you. But yeah, so I will have all that information at the end of this video, but I'll also, of course, link it down below for you so you can just refer to that. You don't have to listen to me ramble, but this is just the one color I have on. So I don't know. And done. All right, I think I'm going to put a little bit of that Night for Frolic, the little bit redder shade, just right there in the crease. Hopefully that was not a mistake. Putting it right here on the lid and kind of just up into the crease there. Not taking it higher than it's on the lid and into the crease, not above the first color. Blending it into the color and down onto the lash line there. It's pretty. Of course, I didn't expect anything different, but constantly impressed with myself. Oh, how did I forget? I will be using the Glitterly Obsessed that I picked up. I forgot to show you guys. It's called Amok. And it is, this whole, everything's adorable. The whole everything is adorable. That's what it's called. Amok. And then it's got the little black kitty on there. We got, oof. And that is the glitter. I'm gonna attempt to put that with this. I forgot all about it. I'm gonna be honest with you. But look how pretty it is. So sparkly. Okay, so we'll get back to that. I'm gonna set it here so I don't forget to use it. But yeah, going back in with just a little bit of that Night of Frolic to blend once more, and then we will move on. Because I'm not going anywhere. I have worked a full day. It is later in the evening, and girl's tired. Girl is tired. Alright, so that's what that looks like. Oh god. Most sensitive eyes. Okay. So that is where we're at with that. And then why don't we take some Thackeray Binks, which is this color, and we're going to take an Eddie Funkhauser brush. You can tell I'm a makeup artist from back in the day. I still have the Eddie Funkhauser brushes. We're going to take that on a flat, compacted brush and pat that onto the lid here. Very pretty. Oops, I did that in the wrong one. You could, of course, use your finger. I mean, but I'm going to go with some glitter here in a second, and I'm just trying to get a nice base. So that's where we're at so far. Very beautiful. Okay, I'm going to use the Amok on one eye, and then I'm going to try this Brew Potion here and see what kind of glitter we got here on the other eye. So hopefully you don't, that doesn't. All right, I'm going to take my finger for that, and okay, so it's not like that goopy, it's just an actual glitter. So we're going to put that on this eye. And press it in right there in the middle. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. So look at that. Hopefully that is showing up how beautiful that gold is on there. I mean, again, that is the Brew Potion on my lid there. And then we're going to take some of the Amok. I have to put it on this. I just got to see how it looks. And again, we'll just take a different finger. I'm going to take it on my finger and we're just going to tap it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it is doing it justice, but holy moly. Look how beautiful that is. I'm obsessed with myself. Oh, I don't know why I shut that. I need that. So we're going to take, we're not done. We're going to take the colors we put all over the lid and take that underneath. That may be a huge regret of mine later, but we're going to do it now. So, dead man's toe under the eye. And you have to make that face. Alright, so dead man's toe. Alright, and then we're going to take a little bit of that Night of Frolic. Oh, hello. I'm going to have to darken my eyebrows up a little bit. It's been a long day, okay? Forgive me. So Suzanne is creating on her channel a very wearable, nice, mature eyeshadow look. That is not what you're on my channel for. Trust me when I say that is not what's happening over here. That is never what happens over here. So we're going to put a little bit of Full Moon on my brow bone. It's just a nice neutral cream colored shade. Yeah, that looks nice. And then we're going to put a little bit here on the inner corner since we have so much happening elsewhere. So that just kind of blended all that out together. Fabuloso. Let's see what else we can do here. To line my eyes, and I will be right back, and then we will finish talking about this giveaway. Okay guys, so it's me and I'm back, and I have finished my mascara, my eyeliner, so it's a complete look. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this quick little tutorial, very nice and vampy glam, and the two different eye colors. I just had to show you how beautiful these glitters are, or shimmers I guess. And now to the giveaway. So you'll be winning this palette plus so many other goodies from me, because I'm showing you some stuff, and then I'm also going to be a little sneaky and throw some extra beauty goodies in there. You know I will do you right. So also you have to go subscribe to my friend Suzanne, Beauty at 50. All the links will be down below with all the instructions. You have to subscribe to her. She also is giving away one of these palettes, plus all of her own beauty goodies. So you can win two ColourPop palettes, plus all this additional goodies. You can treat yourself, treat a friend, treat multiple people in your family. Holidays are coming up. So definitely you will be winning one of these. Like I showed you before, it is wrapped. That is what I have so far for you to win, plus the ColourPop palette. Like I said, all the directions are down below. Basically leave a comment down below once you are for sure subscribed. Your favorite thing about Halloween or fall, favorite movie, if you like to get dressed up, if there's a favorite food you like, tradition, just comment something fun down below like that, so I know that you are wanting to be entered. If you want to comment and you don't want to be entered, you can also mention that, but you don't have to. And then you will go over to Suzanne's channel, subscribe to her, and do the same. You will just comment something about Halloween or whatever, watch her video, she will explain it as well, and you're getting a chance to win 2 palettes. So I mean, I'm gonna pick on my channel, she will pick on her channel, but if you win, you win. I mean, if what's fair is fair. So if I draw your name and she draws your name, completely different states. So if the computer picks you, you win. So again, check the description bar. You can always shoot me a message. Very much appreciated if you shared this with your friends, share it on Facebook, wherever you like to share your videos that you watch. The more entries, the more giveaways we'll do. We're talking about doing a really big Christmas giveaway, like right before Christmas, early in December, doing maybe a couple days of giveaways. So if we get a lot of interest in this, that will just tell us that yes, you want more. So we will continue to do more. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you like the look I created. Please be sure to subscribe, enter this giveaway, and I will talk to you guys next time. And good luck. Bye.